guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a zoom burst motion blur in Adobe Photoshop CC. Before we continue, open your Photoshop. Definitely we need Photoshop to make this effect. So while waiting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click on the notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. Okay. So yeah, my Photoshop is ready. I'll use this image. So all you need to do is just drag and drop, then voila, you have it. So yeah, before we continue, we need to duplicate the image. You can just duplicate it once, but I always want backup in case of maybe any mistakes or something. So just press Ctrl J to duplicate and press this Ctrl J again to make another duplicate. So first of all, we need to make this first layer a smart object, like layer 1. Make layer 1 a smart object. All you need to do is to right click, convert to smart object, and then hide it, and hide the first one too. So with the background, you also have to hide the same thing too. So yeah, so make this one visible again and go to filter, blur, radial blur, and then for the amount you can just make it any number you want, but for this I would like it to be 20, and blur method instead of spin should be zoom, and quality should be good. So yeah, press OK when you are done, and voila, we have the effect made already. But not quite well actually, yeah, it's cool though, but you can't just make the motion blur affect all the part of the car, and it's not really that cool that much. So all you need to do is make the first layer visible again, add a layer mask, and click on radial gradient, and then click and drag from the middle to this end, okay, until you are satisfied with it. And I think this is cool, this is quite good. Yeah, so yeah, basically we are done with this is how you make a zoom burst motion blur effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel once more, and click on the notification button so that you don't miss out any update. Peace.